everyone, this is Anu, and in this video today I'm going to do a little bit of a review come DIY. I purchased something from Amazon, and this is the very first time I purchased a bird nest from Amazon. It was very much required. I do have a cage for my birds, but then I don't have a section for a nest. So I purchased this online, and in this video today I'm going to give you a review how it looks, what it is, and for what kind of bird it is. And also I'm going to do a little bit of DIY with that, a modification from my side. So yeah, so and let's see what we got. Let's see the bird nest. So a little bit of review, my personal views that I will give you about this bird nest is it looks good, it's very cute. It has these two hanging these two hooks are there to hang. You can also hang it this way, suppose if you want, like, you know, there are two more holes here. Overall it looks good, but the first, what I didn't like about it is the quality of the wood. The quality of the quality of this wood is not that good. It's like raw wood, and when I first kept it on my lap, I could literally see the dust coming out of it. So that is something which I would not like much, but I'm going to figure out something. One thing is for sure, that this won't stay for very long. Let's say when I'm washing the cage, when I'm cleaning it, I would have to wash this as well, and I don't think it will stay for long. But I am personally not looking for something which would stay for long, for years and years. For now, it's absolutely fine for me to keep this because I have other plans for my birds. So this is a temporary solution, I can say. I will keep this. This section is perfect for my birds. They're very small, and this is really cute. You can, as I showed you guys, that it comes out as well. And birds don't like anyone getting close to their nest or the eggs. I mean, no animal likes that, but this is what I observed. When I'm getting close to the nest, even to give them water, they're getting very conscious and they're like chirping louder and all. I don't want to scare them, so this will give a lot of privacy to them. That there's a lot of privacy, and inside there's a good amount of space for my birds, and this like a window for them. Yes, one more thing that I wanted to tell you is that the finishing of this is not very good. Like, I would show you this. Do you see this wood? Okay, so do you see this, how it's not nicely finished? Do you see that pointy place? Doesn't matter much, but yeah, I would always look for a quality product. Also as well, you see these sections which is not neatly done. This is the only I would say the hole which is neatly done, but other than that, this is not very neatly done. And also these holes are also, the window of my bird nest house is not very neatly, the window is not very neatly done. So yeah, there are a couple of things like I would definitely, if you are looking, so let me tell you in this way, if you are thinking to keep this for a long term, like for years and years you want to use them, you can wash them, reuse it, wash them, reuse it, then just don't go for this, because looking at the quality of the wood, it is not that great. But if you're looking for a temporary solution just for a few days, and then you have other plans, like I have plans to increase the size of my cage, and I'm sure that this nest won't be sufficient for so many birds, so that's when this is a temporary solution as of now. So let me see the price. I completely forget after purchasing things. I don't keep a tab on the prices for some reason. What's the price? Okay, I cannot see that in the box. So I don't know if the price keep changing for this product, but as when I purchased it, it was 265 rupees. Can you see that? And let's get to the interesting part, that is the DIY. So when I saw this bird nest, I found it very pale, and I like colors, so I wanted to do something about it. So let's get to the DIY, my favorite section. So instead of watercolors, I decided to use soft pastels, and these are the colors which easily sticks to any surface, not only paper but even wood as well. So I decided that let me paint my box. I even tried it here if it is sticking or not. So let me do some patterns and designs with this. Let's see how it looks. This is called a DIY mess. This is not how I wanted this to look. You see this, how easily the color is coming out? I really don't like this. I'm gonna go back to my old acrylic colors, which are like the perfect ones to paint anywhere, from clothes to woods to anywhere. So yeah, let's do it again.